Welcome to ClearTask. If you are trying to use the Litmatch app and keep seeing the "your device has been banned" error, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the updated step-by-step method to bypass this issue and get you back on the app. First, we need to completely wipe the app's tracking data from your phone. Do not just uninstall it. Go to your phone settings, tap on Apps, and find Litmatch. Tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Once that is done, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and reinstall Litmatch from the official App Store. Next, before you open the app again, switch your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes Litmatch flags your IP address alongside your device, so changing your network helps bypass the restriction. If you open the app and the device is still banned, it means Litmatch has blacklisted your specific hardware, ID. To fix this without resetting your entire phone, you need to use an app cloner. Go to your app store and download a trusted cloner like Parallel Space or multiple accounts. Open the cloning app and add Litmatch to it. This creates a brand new virtual environment and device ID, tricking the system and allowing you to access the app normally. Finally, if it is your actual account that is banned and not just the phone, you will need to appeal. Send an email to elit@litatom.com with your ban ID and explain your situation. If this updated method helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.